तो आपने भी फिल्में इतनी ऐसी चुनी है
हाँ,
जिनको
चांदनी,
रिकास्ट करना एज
सिलसिला
अ क्राइम.
और तीसरा कौन सा कहा आपने?
One actor from the 70s, 90s, they wish played their characters Dadi Nani in the Royals.
Wouldn't it be amazing to see Sharmila ji play a royal?
Yes.
That would be amazing.
Okay. If your character had to time travel into an old Bollywood film, which one would they fit into perfectly?
It wouldn't fit in it.
कि अपने एक्स के साथ काम करना वापस it is easy.
डिपेंड करता है एक्स कौन है ना. लाइक आई थिंक अ लॉट डिपेंड्स बिकॉज आई थिंक जस्ट लेबलिंग समबडी एन एक्स इज आल्सो काइंड ऑफ अनफेयर. So I think I've evolved as an actor. I hope I've grown as an actor, but I don't want to vouch for that. I hope the audience is.
Being open to what the other person is bringing. अब तैयार हैं कि अगर कुछ मैजिक होना है तो हम उसे रिसीव करने के लिए तैयार हैं.
She is a nurturer. She is a go-getter. उसमें बहुत सारी drive, ambition, fire है. But at the same time, she has a very strong set of values that she abides by.
Hi, this is Jaya and you're watching me on Galata India. Today we have with the team of Royals, Ishan Khattar and Bhumi Pednekar. Hi guys.
Hi.
Welcome. Firstly, I want to say that the show looks grand. And also what I observed was that it's full of glamour with the mixes of grounded emotions, you know. जो कि मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया देखने में. And I'm enjoying it and gonna watch the whole episode. Binge watch कर रही हूँ.
हाँ जी.
But I will quickly start with a game today.
Okay.
So the games are like Palace Edition. ठीक है, हमने नाम
Okay.
रखा है game
Palace
का.
Edition.
Yeah, it is all from your show only. ठीक है, जो मैंने जितना देखा है, it's coming from there.
Sure.
So the first question is, one Bollywood film they would love to recreate in a palace setting.
In a palace setting.
Fun question.
Yeah. Hera Pheri.
Andaz Apna.
Hands down.
Nice.
That would be hilarious. I love Hera Pheri.
Yeah.
One actor from the 70s, 90s, they wish played their characters Dadi Nani in the Royals.
दादी नानी.
हाँ, दादी और नानी.
अच्छा मतलब नॉट हमारे शो में ऐसे
हाँ,
जनरली.
generally.
हाँ
But
मतलब
70,
कोई और
90 से
ऐसे
कोई और.
दिग्गज अगर
Yeah.
कोई उनके अलावा भी कोई दिग्गज हो. I think I mean your mom and
हाँ? नहीं, I would not replace them. साक्षी जी और जीनत जी की जगह कोई नहीं आ सकता. लेकिन हाँ, अगर आप कहें कि
additional kit.
हाँ कुछ कैरेक्टर्स ऐड हो जाएं शायद सीजन 2 में, क्या पता. आई वुड से wouldn't it be amazing to see Sharmila ji play a royal?
Yes.
That would be amazing.
Yes.
So let's-
Yours?
I don't think I can top that answer because you know I think she in every way is royalty.
Yeah.
But
Anti-caste. It's a joke. Because it's not. Just in case anyone out there.
I think it would be. I mean, I'm really pushing it, but you know, imagine if we had Mr. Bachchan in our show.
Ooh,
Nice.
truly royal.
If your character had to time travel into an old Bollywood film, which one would they fit into perfectly?
Old Bollywood film. If Abhiraj had to go into an old Bollywood
It
film.
wouldn't fit in anything. Maybe Sholay, one of the horses. He would be a great help in the Dakati army.
But writing सीखा आपने शो के
लिए.
वक्त में.
जी, जी.
Did a good job with it. Which 70s and 90s actor or actress would you cast as your character in Royal Rival?
I think Zeena ji as Sophia.
Ooh.
Nice.
Yep.
Recast a classic Bollywood film like Chandni, Kabhi Kabhi और Silsila, but set it in a palace.
You have to recast it and set it in a
हाँ,
palace.
in a palace.
तो आपने भी फिल्में इतनी ऐसी चुनी है
हाँ,
जिनको
चांदनी,
रिकास्ट करना एज
सिलसिला
अ
और
क्राइम.
तीसरा कौन सा कहा आपने?
कभी कभी.
हाउ कैन यू रिकास्ट?
You can't recast
कहाँ
anyone.
मतलब ये कैसे कर सकते
Yeah, I can't recast anyone.
हैं?
खुद में क्लासिक है.
कैसे कर सकते हैं?
कोई नहीं, we'll go to a next. If Sophia or Abhiraj had to be mentored by a vintage Bollywood matriarch or patriarch, who would it be?
Vintage
fun.
में
I think
mentored, huh?
I think Sophia could maybe Jaya ji because she's such a strong person and she's got as much fire as Sophia does.
I think Aviraj needs disciplining. I think he needs someone to tell him how it is. So he needs Amrish Puri.
He needs Jayaji as well. He needs Jayaji as well.
So that's why he has no Sakshi ji.
Yeah.
And Zeenat ji. But I need an Amrish Puri for sure.
Which old Bollywood scene would you love to recreate inside a Royal Darbar hall?
बसंती इन कुत्तों के सामने नाचना.
Love it.
Nice.
Can I say a song?
Yeah.
Yeah, would like think of the most teeny bop. Like let's say Kar Gayi Chul in a Royal Darbar hall.
Imagining you doing this and all there.
Yeah. With the palace guards.
But that's it. We'll come back to the questions. I would like to ask from you. It's your 10 years in industry. Firstly, I want to know from you. Have you evolved as the choices do you make in the doing films?
Have my choices evolved? I think so because of the fact that I'm doing a Royals. Now it's my, as you rightly said, it's my 10th year. So I think I've evolved as an actor. I hope I've grown as an actor, but I don't want to vouch for that. I hope the audiences feel that. And yeah, I think I am constantly growing and my films have helped me mature as a human being a lot.
Right. ईशान, to you, I would like to ask, you know, ये जो मैं जब मैं पूरा शो देख रही थी, I was just thinking कि ये जो the chemistry between you is essential, to be honest, and I was just thinking कि ये on screen बनाने में, because उससे पहले you didn't know each other उतना अच्छे से, but on screen build करने में it must have taken time. So वो इतना प्यारा आया है कि तो what was the preparation for it?
I think the first credit goes to the writing because I think बहुत खूबसूरती से लिखा हुआ था. And then it's the time that we were fortunate enough to spend together. We had, I think, 2.5-3 months of prep before we started. उसमें घुड़सवारी वगैरह तो एक तरफ चल ही रहा था, लेकिन I think the other thing that we got to get a head start on was just getting comfortable with each other, get to know each other. We did a lot of physical exercises together. We did a lot of script readings together. Often somebody, you know, one of our, either the directors or whoever else was workshopping us would go out for a break and we'd get like 20 minutes to just chat each other up and get to know each other. So that helped with building an additional, you know, layer of comfort. And I think beyond that, it was just being open to what the other person is bringing, you know, on the day. Because I think all the magic is in the moment.
Right.
You know, that's not something you can beyond a point reverse engineer. You can prepare up to the point कि हाँ हम अब तैयार हैं कि अगर कुछ मैजिक होना है तो हम उसे रिसीव करने के लिए तैयार हैं. But that's as far as preparation can get you. Eventually it's the openness that you have on the day and how present you are with your scene partner.
Correct.
And I think we did a lot of things. One of the things that I would also, at least that really helps me, that I would like to credit our director, specifically Priyanka Ghosh for, is that she would use music on set a lot. And I think that helps me a lot get into a mood and a feeling and an emotion. I think we were able to lean on that a lot. I think a lot of the silent moments without dialogue that just came about were because we were already tuned into the same frequency.
Yeah.
But how was your prep as a, you know, powerful CEO, was mixing the tradition as well at the same time? How was your prep?
I think I have prepped my entire life to play this character. A lot of me is in Sophia. You know, the fact that she's a self-made person and she truly is a disruptor in her space. She's created something just by herself. You know, she is a nurturer, she is a go-getter, उसमें बहुत सारी drive, ambition, fire है. But at the same time, she has a very strong set of values that she abides by. And she's a correct person, and I think I kind of am somewhere on the spectrum as well. She is a believer of love, but she is very scared of it. These are all qualities that I identify with very, very strongly. And at the same time, she is very responsible with her grandparents. And I have that relationship with my mother and my sister. You know, she is in many ways the primary caregiver emotionally as well, you know, for her ecosystem. तो मैं तो पूरी life I think I've prepped for Sophia. I have a very strong entrepreneurial side to me as well. मुझे ना बहुत मज़ा आता है अलग-अलग businesses में invest करना, पैसे कमाने में. I love like, you know, making more of whatever I have. So those things were easier for me. And I think what has also hardened Sophia over time is, which I feel all working girls have anyways, you know, we deal
Comes up.
with
Yes.
it all the time, is the casual sexism that you have to deal with all the time, which is like actually one of her biggest conflicts in the show as well, is how she has to constantly prove that she's better than a male counterpart.
Agree.
And that's anyway something that we deal with. So मेरी prep for her work life was that, but I think apart from that, there's a softer side to her. You know, she is in weird ways when she is around Aviraj, all her guards, उसके सारे guards टूट जाते हैं. You know, she becomes a girl around him, and I think that's what irritates her the most.
Coming out from the show totally कि अपने ex के साथ काम करना वापस it is easy.
Depend करता है ex कौन है ना? Like I think a lot depends, because I think just labeling somebody an ex is also kind of unfair. I think there's a lot that person brings or doesn't bring to the table, and then you kind of understand whether you're going to have that energy in your life or not.
Right. How was the working with, you know, Zeenat Aman's, you know, full of legends, was working in the show. सबका काम इतना प्यारा है show में. I was just watching it. So how was working with her?
Great.
वहाँ से आया one-liner answer देना है.
I think it was one of the greatest joys of my career so far. Not only because she brings so much to the table, and because she has a grace and elegance that only she can bring,
Right.
but also because she was one of the easiest, lightest, nicest people on set. And I think she was very generous with all of us who are far less experienced than her and youngins relatively. I think she only had love to give and only had encouragement to give. So I love her.
Wow.
Yeah, my experience was exactly the same. I think one of the highlights of Royals for me is the fact that she's a part of it, and I got to just be on the same set as her. I don't have a lot of scenes that we've done together, but just her presence, she's just so loving. She's just so encouraging. She has the loveliest things to say about everyone on set, and she's just warm, and she's supremely enthusiastic about her work. She loves improvising. She wants to keep doing better, giving a better take, and that energy is so inspiring.
But thank you so much, guys, and I
Thank you.
wish you good luck for all your future projects.
Thank you.
And I hope this goes super duper success here.
Thank you. Hope you
Thank
enjoy the rest of the show as much.
Yes,
Even
I'm
more.
enjoying it. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.